Hi guys, and most welcome again to another episode of How to Make Money. So today we're going to talk about 12 good places where you're going to get an emergency loan using USSD codes, right? So I'm going to explain to you what USSD codes are. And before that, in case you're new here, my name is Doreen. This is Doc Vlogs. In Doc Vlogs, we talk about loans, we talk about real estate, we talk about best websites whereby you can just work with them and get paid either daily, weekly, monthly. We talk about where to invest your money, any matters finance, right? In case these are the kind of videos that you've been looking forward for, please make sure that you're subscribing to this channel. Make sure that you're liking this video. The reason why I always tell you to subscribe to this channel is simply because whenever I do a new video, YouTube will send you that notification, and guess what? You're going to watch this video. In case this one did not help you, maybe my next video will be of help to you, right? Don't forget to comment down below, right? So if you're coming back, if you're this die-hard fan of me, most welcome back again. So without wasting time, let's jump into today's topic. In case you see me looking down, it's simply because I always have a diary with me. I'm human, yes. I just have to just write some things that I can't memorize everything, right? I'm human just like you. So sometimes we need to write down so that we will be able to explain these things to you. So what is USSD loans? So USSD loans are just codes that you're supposed to key in your phone, right? So that you can get a loan, right? It's not like apps, it's not like website where you're supposed to have Android phones, you must have internet and stuff, right? So with these particular loans, you're only supposed to have credit and be a user of Safaricom or any other line that can access these USSD codes. And other qualification is that you must have some little credit like 5 shillings so that you can be able to access the loans. Also, if you want to try more than 10 apps like the ones that I'm going to talk about, please make sure that you have at least 10 shillings as airtime in your credit, right? You can try as long as you're 18 years of age, you have an mpesa account, registered user of mpesa. And sorry for those guys who are not in Kenya, because this particular product is only for Kenyan citizens who are 18 years of age and have national ID, and they're registered users of Safaricom or Airtel, just in case I end up mentioning them, right? So if you have a phone with you, Kabambe, any phone, right? As long as it has SIM card in it, you can always access this loan. So I'll just mention them. If you have to write, you can write them down, and I'll also mention some few whereby you're supposed to, they also have an app or stuff, right? So number one USSD code loan whereby you can just dial and get helped with these loans is Let's Go Cash. Let's Go Cash is LETS GOCCASH. Let's Go Cash. To access it, you can dial star 435 hash. Please listen very careful. Star 435 hash. Then you can register, follow the prompt, right? With these ones, they're very easy because you're just supposed to follow the prompt. Whatever they're telling you is what you're supposed to go with, right? So number two loan is okay with Let's Go Cash. They have two products. There is business and there is Let's Go Cash. This is where many people are failing. Please, when you dial, please go with the loan that is it's written Let's Go Cash, not business or personal loans. Okay, if you go with personal loans, so you'll need to visit their office and stuff. But with this one, the specific one that I'm talking about, when you dial the star 435 hash, you just go with option Let's Go Cash, which is number one. Number two is Okolea. Okolea is OKOLEA, and to access it, you must be a Safaricom user, and you can dial star 842 hash, star 842 hash, right? So number three is Timiza. So Timiza is under Barclays Bank. For those people who can access the app, you can also access the app. It's on Play Store. It has a red logo. Yeah, so Timiza is under a bank, and it's not a must to have that bank account or stuff. You can open one by dialing star 848 hash, star 848 hash. And for this particular product, you also must have saved or must be willing to save at least something so that these people will give you a loan. So number four is Zenka. So I've been talking about Zenka, and so many people have told me that on the comment sections that Zenka helps them in one way or another. So you can dial, you can also, if you don't have an Android phone and you want to access Zenka, you can dial star 841 hash, star 841 hash. So if you have to write down, just write so that you can try any that will give you then well and good. So with Zenka, it also has an app on Play Store with a yellow logo. You can find them there, register the app, and if you can't access the app, just dial the numbers that I've talked about, right? So number 5 is Pesa Chap Chap. Pesa Chap Chap is under Family Bank, and you can also access it by just dialing star 339 hash, star 339 hash. Number 6 is Sotiwa. Sotiwa is Sotiwa, whereby you can access it through star 243 star 90 hash, star 243 star 90 hash. So if you have a Safaricom line, please don't feel it harm. If you have that emergency, you can always try on these apps. They'll save your time, they'll save you in big time wherever you need them, and it's just accessible through you dialing them, right? You just dial the numbers and you follow what these guys are telling you, right? So if it's something that has partnered with Safaricom and they're asking you for your M-Pesa PIN, then well and good. And if you feel uncomfortable to give out, you can always try on something else, okay? Yeah, but the ones that I'm specifically talking about, they are trustworthy. It's something that in one or two of them I've tried and it's working, right? So number 7 is Okoa Mia. Okoa Mia, as it sounds, you can just dial star 682 hash, star 682 hash. Then there is Pesa Pata. Pesa Pata, you can dial star 339 hash. Pesa Pata, star 339 hash. So those ones that I'm mentioning, they have an app. It's just an option for those people who don't want to use the app. Maybe they can't access it. Maybe you're watching me with a computer, you don't have a phone, an Android phone, and you want the loan. So you can just go and dial these codes so that you can get it. If you can access the app, well and good. The app is also easy as the USSD codes, right? Because after all, it will only use your bundles and not your airtime, right? Yeah. So number 9 is MFanisi. So MFanisi. So the other app is MFanisi. So MFanisi have they also have a bank. It's like an M Circle whereby people have been saving, but it's not a must you be the Circle member. But if you're not the Circle member, you can always dial star 222 hash. That is star 222 hash. It's not a must. For this app, it's not a must you be a member of this circle to get the loans, right? So you can just dial star 22 star 222 hash and access the loan any day, anytime. So if you have that emergency, you can just follow. If you want to save with them, you can also open an account. It's online based, and you can open it and start saving with them so that at the end of the day, you're going to get these loans, right? It's good also to save for your future, and if you're looking forward to get bigger amount or bigger loans, you can always just open these accounts and start saving with them. Then you can get a loan in future, right? So number 10 is Fuliza. You guys have like most of you who follow me know that Fuliza is also a product of loan, and maybe most of you have it on your phone whereby you're just supposed to pay for goods and services if you don't have enough balance, and it's being and you'll repay it as a loan, right? So you'll just prompt it by dialing star 234 hash. Then you follow the process. If you want to pay for goods and services, if you want to send someone money and you have insufficient funds in your M-Pesa, you can always send this money to them, right? So number 11, it's HF Whizz. HF Whizz. Okay, let me just pronounce this one because I know it sounds very crazy when I'm mentioning it. So it's HFWHIZZ, and you can access it through star 618 hash, star 618 hash. So if you're out there and you also want to access the app, if you're using a computer, definitely you can just go to Play Store. They also have an app. It has whitish bluish logo. Please note that the reason why I always mention logos is because there are these scam people who will just put their apps out there imitating other good app, and they'll end up scamming your money, right? So the last one It's Base. Base is an app that I've been talking about, and it saved me a big time because I used it when I had an emergency some years ago, right? So what they'll need is for you to just have an M-Pesa statement. That is if you download the app. But if you're not downloading the app, you can just access it through *879 *99 hash *79 *99 hash, right? You've been watching me till this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel. Why is that? Please make sure that you're not leaving this place without hitting that subscription button. Become a family. We learn a lot here. We learn about crafts. We do crafts. We do DIYs. We talk about business. We talk about loans. And let's learn, right? So become a family here and you're most welcome. Feel welcomed in advance. And let's see you on another video. So share this video if you can and comment down below if any of the apps that I mentioned gave you a loan. So ciao for today.